So at the hostel this morning, I was talking with some guys, and they're like, "Hey man, you gonna be checking out the party scene here tonight?" And I'm like, "Nah, man, I'm gonna get on a boat because that seems a lot cooler than not going to random bars. Not really my thing, but going to Phi Phi Island." Let's see. There's a couple options that one has. One is a speedboat. The other, actually, this isn't a good spot to look at. But basically, you could either get on a speedboat, or they have like bigger ferries. That's what I'm going to be on because I'm in no rush. Hey, there we go, ferry. Found it. Anyway, that's what I'm going to be on because I am in no rush. I have time, and I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do the rest of the day. So that'll give me a chance to hopefully do some plotting. You tell I'm at the right spot now because I'm not the only tourist. Like everybody here is pretty much from out of country. I don't see a lot of locals, so I'm doing something right or wrong. We'll find out. Off the boat. It's a little bit more than, a little bit longer than it was supposed to be. It's supposed to be 2 hours and closer to 3:15. So, although there was just a big earthquake, so that happened right when we were supposed to depart. Maybe they slowed because of that. No idea, but we made her. Phi Phi Islands, or Phi Phi. I don't know. I just read it. So, I'm sure someone's going to correct me at some point. Okay, sadly I forgot a microphone, so I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but give it a shot. So I am at Koh Phi Phi Island. Koh is a term in Thai for island, so it's a little redundant to say it that way, but hey, we're all learning, aren't we? Honestly, it's a pretty serene spot overall. Way better than a lot of the stuff that I was wasting time with. Not wasting time with, spending time doing in Phuket. Let's see here. If you actually want to see beach, I mean, right now it's low tide, but that's pretty nice. All right, as I eat my gummy candy on the beach here, I am just utterly amazed at these highlight sunsets. Just the beauty here. I'm just gonna show you guys here. Like, look at that. Whatever you guys are gonna see in the final video is nowhere near as beautiful as what the human eye sees here right now. Oh man, okay, so for this part here, there's a little bit of a story. So, some local entrepreneurs, I mean hustlers, I mean scammers, I mean scallywags, set up a poll on the beach that, hey, come up, and if you just, like, hold yourself up for a little while, you win a prize. And I figured, dude, I got this. No one else is going for it. I want to get some video. I'll be the first one. Boom, I volunteered. I figured, hey, I can do a good 3 minutes at the gym, no problem. I can, at least without a warm-up or anything like that, 2 minutes, whatever. But I go up and you can see this bar rotates. Oh, man, I knew that I was boned, but there was already that many people looking, and I paid 200 baht. I'm not going to back down. And I made it just like barely over a minute. It was like 1 minute and 6 seconds before, yeah, you can see me fall. But hey, I got a story out of it, so totally worth it. All right, the throat of the world. Stairway going up to what is hopefully going to be an amazing viewpoint. Wow. I think this view is worth it, considering the height.
On the plane?
Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah, I'm totally not in bad shape. Oh, yeah. So something to keep in mind is, in person, it's so much more beautiful. Like a sunset or lightning from a thunderstorm. It can look amazing in video form, but when you see it in person, it's breathtaking. So Phi Phi Island here, it's been my least favorite stop, just compared to everything else. It's not as good, but this view, the skies, the nature, I like it. I don't want to come back here though. This place is not quite as good as some of the other locations here in Thailand, but nonetheless, no regrets. And this is part of the thing I'm not going to miss. Oop, where did I switch? The big old walk, or tumble, if you do it right. I'm just thrilled that I don't have my 50-pound backpack on right now, because, yep, you'd see me going real quick. Okay, this is where I was trying not to die before. Yep. Yeah, a little steep. Beats going up a ladder, though. Okay, just double back because I thought this little thing is cool. Dear guests, please turn right to your room. So basically, because all of the rooms are further up the hill, to kind of avoid congestion, we just have different staircases going to the different rooms, which, yeah, I thought it was kind of interesting. It's a very, very mountainy, mountainy spot here. Up there's where we just were a little while ago, and that's where we're going to try our best not to arrive at in 4 seconds of tumbling. It's been 3 days. Still going down. It's a lot easier going down. And I'm sweating already. Yeah, just the open architecture here and how it's multi-layered. It's just so cool to me. So they have this cool thing in Thailand that you can basically go up to a cooler, pick your fish, and they'll cook that specific setup for you. So you can literally see before you eat. That is really cool. No mystery there. All right, so we're doing eating out at a restaurant here. First stop that I've actually made in a restaurant here while using the face tracking, so we'll see how well this works. Also a bit of a microphone test here with a DJI mic too. We'll see if, whoa, hopefully I don't give anybody motion sickness doing that, but kind of cool. I still adjust things a little bit. So you put the straw kind of underneath the tab. There we go. I couldn't think of the word. I'm very tired. It's kind of cool. Let's see if this is any good. It's soda. It's not bad. All right. So I ordered it per the hostess's recommendation. Chicken steak. Not entirely sure what that is, but from the way that she described it, it sounds just like grilled chicken. So we gonna find out, aren't we? Woohoo! Okay, I'm having fun with that. I'll stop it now, but yeah, in a couple of minutes, hopefully we find out if it's any good or not. Yay! Hey, that's right. That's what chicken steak is. Cool. Let's see how it is. Just for posterity, 330 baht. Cool spot, though. Okay, concealed carry holder. I have one of these in real life. Should be decent at it, right? We'll find out. Turn that down a little bit. Yeah, whatever. Any target? All right, here we'll go. More than 20. Oh, just kidding. All right. There we go. Thank you. Had a couple of the wild ones there, but you see that? They'd still be dead, but not bad, not bad. Hey. So I'm doing now is I'm getting my ticket for tomorrow because I am not going to be swimming across the strait. I'm going to be taking the boat, and tomorrow we're getting a speedboat. So it'll be 50 minutes instead of an hour. Waiting an hour and a half. Yeah, because it's a little bit different at this spot. It's going to be faster, so. Woohoo! So this thing was kind of cool. In lieu of actual dedicated hot water, there's this inline water heater that you can adjust on the fly. Oh, it's dark. I took the key out. So at a lot of these hotels, hostels, well, actually the hotels, you have to stick a key in. Just a room key for power to turn on. When you leave, it automatically turns off. I guess to make sure that the room isn't just wasting a bunch of electricity. I sat in that chair, not in that one. A decent view of greenery. Then, of course, more of the stairs. Man's greatest enemy, if yesterday was leg day. And pretty much every day is when you're carrying around a big old backpack. Yeah. Quite a view here. You can see what I was talking about with a mix of really nice things and then under construction stuff. Although, to be fair, this place was hit with a tsunami not terribly long ago, so they're rebuilding. Well, I guess that's a new way to hire staff wanted. Daily wages, free booze, free accommodation, guaranteed hangovers. I know a lot of people that would actually take that job in a heartbeat in the US. Not me. Can't swim? We swim for you. No license? You don't need one. Let's go see turtles. Sea turtles or sea turtles? Oh man, I don't do mornings. So I spoke to someone, and this is apparently a way to keep flies away from the food, which seems like a pretty cool idea.